So hey everyone, once again we are back with the same chapter, compound interest, and this is the second part of this video. In the last video we have covered with this part, that is without formula we have find out the interest, compound interest when the interest is compounded annually, and we have find out the interest when compound interest when the interest is compounded half yearly. So these we have done without formula. Now we are going to use the formula to find out these things. So let us start with the second exercise of the chapter. So in this video we are going to calculate the compound interest by using the formulas. So the first case here we are going to study that when the interest is compounded annually, means the interest is compounded per year. So let principal be P, rate be R% per annum, and the time is N%. Then the formula of amount A is denoted by, for amount, is this one, P under bracket 1 plus R, that is rate of interest. Here I have taken capital R, you can take capital R or small r as per your convenience, divided by N and raised to N. This N will be small n, and that denotes the time. So let us see one example with the help for the case 1. So my first question, that is based on the case 1, when the interest is compounded per year is, let us see the question. See, this is my question. By using the formula, see here they have specifically mentioned by using the formula, so we have to use the formula only. Find the amount and compound interest on. We need to find out amount and compound interest. Now just see what are the things on this. That means this is my principal P, this is my time or N, this is my rate. You can write capital R, small r as per your convenience. Per annum, compounded annually. So just have a look. My principal is 6,000. My rate of interest is 9% per annum. As you can see here, 9% per annum. My time is 2 years. So that is N is 2 years. Now we need two things we need to find out: compound interest and amount. So formula for amount is A is equals to P 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Right? This is the formula. So let us substitute the formula. Value of A. So A is equals to P. P is 6,000. 1 plus R is for 9 by equals to 2. N is 2. 6,000. Now this, just see, let's solve. So now let us only solve this part first, and then I'll go further. So this 1 plus 9 by 100, right? This can be written as, nothing is there in the denominator, that means 1 is there, so we'll take out the LCM. So 1 and the LCM of 1 and 100 will be 100. So 100 multiplied with 1 is 100, plus 1 multiplied with 9, 1. You can do the direct one, and we are getting 109 by 100, right? Now let us see the next slide. Just see, in this stage we was in. So then A will be equals to this 6,000 will be 6,000 only. This 109 again multiply with 109 divided by 100 multiply with 100. So 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. This 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. Now you have to multiply this 109 and this 6. After multiplication you are going to get 71286. You can check your multiplication. I have already multiplied, so I am just telling you this, 71286, and the denominator is 110 is there, so I am dividing it by 10. Now this 10 will be removed, and you are going to put a point here. So this is my answer, 712.8. But this is my amount. We need to find out compound interest too. So the amount is 7128.6. Then the compound interest formula is amount minus principal. My amount is 7,128.6, and my principal is given out to be 6,000. So you can subtract this 7128.6 with 6,000. we are going to get 0.6 will be as it is 8211. So 1128.6 rupees is the answer for the compound interest. So in this one we are going to get two answers. This is for the amount and this is for the compound interest. So now let us move to the second case. In the second case also the compound interest is compounded annually only. But the difference here is the rates are different for different years. That means if suppose you have to find out for 2 years, that means for the first year the rate will be different and for the second year it will be another rate. And if suppose you have to find out for 3 years, then so now we are going to start with the second case. In the second case again the rate of interest is compounded annually only. Now the difference will be the rate of interest for different years will be different. Suppose if you are talking for 2 years, then for the first year the rate of interest will be R1 and the second year you can take it R2, or you can take this as A or B. Anything you can say, take as per your convenience. Suppose if it is for 3 years, then for the first year it will be A, for the second year it will be B, and the third year it will be C. So that means every year will be the rate of interest will be different. So now let us see. If suppose P is my principal, the rate is A% for the first year, B% for the second year, and the time is 2 years. If suppose if I'll take C, then C% for the third year, and here the number of years will be 3. So in such cases, what is the formula for amount will be AP bracket 1 plus A by 100 1 plus B by 100. If suppose you are talking for 3 years, then again it will be multiply 1 plus C by 100. Right? Now if you need to find out compound interest, the formula will not change. It will be A minus B only. So now let us take one more example and we will discuss these things in detail. So now my next question is, find the amount of rupees 8,000 for 2 years compounded annually. Okay, just see compounded annually is written. So this is my 8,000 and 2 years is my duration. So N is 2 years and 8,000 is my principal. The rate being 9% per annum during the first year. Just see 9% per annum during the first year and 10% per annum during the second year. That means here I have taken the rate of interest for the first year as small p and rate of interest for the second year is small q. You can take any of the alphabet as per your convenience. So the first one is given as 9%, the second one is given as 10%. Now again we are going to use the formula for the amount as A equals to P 1 plus R by 100, 1 plus Q by 100 and 1 plus P by 100. Right? So now let us put the values here. So what you will get, P is 8,000 multiplied 1 plus 9 by 100 and 1 plus 10 by 100. Now this 8,000 will be 8,000 only, and this again you can see when we will take LCM, this will be 100 in the denominator, and this 100 plus 1 is 100 and plus this is 100 and 1 plus into 9 is 9. The same way here the denominator will be 100, this is 100 plus 10. Now just see, this will be 8,000, 100 plus 9 will be 109 by 100 and this will be 110 by 100. Let us go to the next slide. We will see the same solution. Just say this is this and we are what? This is this. So let us just cancel this term. So this is 8,000 multiply with 109 multiply with 110 divided by 100 into 100. Right? 1 0 1 0 cancel. Let us take some other color. 1 0 1 0 cancel. 1 0 1 0 cancel. 1 0 1 0. So we have left with 8, 109 and 11. As you can see, these three. Just multiply these three and you will get 9,592, and this is the required amount that we need to find it out. Let's see, read once more, find the amount. So we just need to find out the amount, not the compound. Just so this is my answer. Now let us see the next one. Now the case 3. Again in case 3 we are going to see that the interest is compounded annually only, but the time is given in fraction. Now in the second case the rate was different, but in the third case the times will be in fraction. So suppose again the same thing, let P be the principal, A% be the rate. You can take R also or anything else. Now time is given in fraction, so it should be in mixed fraction only. Better to write in mixed fraction. So time is given as, I've just taken an example. Okay, I'm just assuming this. This is not the certain thing. You can take any other answer. You can take 1 3/4. You can take 2 5/6. Anything you can take. I've just taken an example. Okay, so that I can explain you the formula. Now the formula of A will be A will equals to P under bracket 1 plus A by 100. This is A by 100 raised to 2. Why this 2 will come? Because here you have 2. Okay, this 2 will come over here as the power, and then you are supposed to open the bracket, and this will be 1 plus 3. This 3 multiply with A divided by this 5 multiply with 100 and the bracket close. Okay, so, and we are going to use this now in the. So now just let us understand this sum by using the formula. The question is by using the formula. Again we are supposed to use the formula only. Find the amount and compound interest on rupees 62500 for 2 years 6 months. Now just see, as we have discussed the last case in which this sum is based, here the duration is given as 2 years 6 months and at the rate of 12% per annum compounded annually. So that means the given things is P, that is 62500. Rate is given as 12% per annum and the time is 2 years 6 months. 2 years 6 months, right? Now this 6 month we have to convert in year. Both the things should be year because this rate of interest is given in per annum. So that means the duration should be converted in year only. This is 2 years is fine, but this is not. So this 6 months we need to convert in year. So in 1 year we have 12 months. So this should be divided by 12 and it will be converted in years. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So this is 1/2. So this can be written as 2. This 2 years will be written as 2, and this 6 month or 6/12 years will be written as 2 upon 1/2 years. So now we know that this is the formula that we are using for A, but here since we have just seen the last case, whenever you have the time given in mixed fraction, we can use this formula. So the formula is P will be as it is 1 plus R by 100. My R is 12. So 12 by 100 raised to the whole number. So here the whole number is 2 and the fraction part is 1/2. So 1 will be multiplied with 12. That is the rate of interest, and 2, the denominator 2 will multiply with 100. So now let us see the next part. Just see this 625. I'll just use some darker color. 62500 multiply. Now this see 112 is how this 112 is coming. I'll just show you. Just solve this part. So this is 1 plus 12 by 100. So nothing is there in denominator, that means 1 is there. The easiest way to take the LCM is multiply the denominator. 1 into 100 is 100 and cross multiply. So 1 will multiply with this 100, so this is 100. 1 multiply with this 12 will be 12. So this is 112 by 100. In the same way you need to find out this. This will be what? 1 plus. This is 112 by 100. Okay, just remember this. And this will be 1 plus 12 by 200. So this will become 1 into 200 is 200. 200 into 1 is 200 plus 12. That is 212 by 200. Now the next step is we need to write this 62500 multiply with this. Just 112 by 100 is having power 2. That means the number should be written twice. As you can see here, I've written twice. And this 212 like that only, and we need to do calculation. So I'll just use some other color. So this is 62500 multiply with 112, multiply with 112, and multiply with 212, and denominator is 100 into 100 into 200, right? 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 25 5s are 625, 25 4s are 100. Again 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are 100. Let's see if I can. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 2 8s are, so I'm getting 28. 4 1s are, and this is also 28. So now what we have left with, we have left with this 28, this 28, and this 212. When you will multiply these three, you will get 83104. You can multiply and check. So that means this 83104 is 83,104 is nothing but my amount. But for this question, we need to find out amount as well as compound interest also. So since this is my amount, directly I can substitute the value of compound interest, that is the formula, and the formula is what? A minus P. A is 83104, and my compound principal is 62500. So this 4 will be 40. 1 minus 5 is not possible, so it will be 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0, 0. So my answer is 20604. That is 20,604 is the compound interest in this case. The next cases we are going to discuss in the next. Thank you.